Greetings, class. This is a quick video to show you how to access past recordings that you may want to see, right? Why did this come up? A student of mine was interested in getting bonus points, right? Getting extra points for the movie, right? When I showed the movie, you could get extra points for answering the questions that I popped throughout the movie, right? So you need to watch the whole movie. You needed to have watched the movie with us, but the class is asynchronous. So if as long as you watch the movie, as long as you watched the movie and posted your questions by, I think the following Monday, you had a shot at getting some points. This student still wants to go for fewer points, but still wants to watch the movie regardless, right? So if you should want to watch the movie or any other or see any other past recordings, here is the step by step, right? So when you get to the class, you're going to number one, go to Blackboard Collaborate, right? Click on that. When that opens up, there's going to be a drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to go to recordings, right? And I have it filtered by recent recordings, but you can filter it whichever way you want. In the case of the movie, it's the last recording, the one that took place. It's a 2-hour recording, right? The one that took place on 5/28. While you're there, why not watch the library orientation session so you can understand what a peer-reviewed article is? Professor Eaton explains that. Professor Eaton also showed you how to gain access to the CUNY library system. And all of these could be super helpful to you. So I hope this sums it up, and I hope you now know how to access past recordings. One last time, go to Blackboard Collaborate, right? Once that opens up, this menu on the left with the 3 dashes takes you not to sessions, but to recordings, right? Then select the recording that you want, click on it. In this case, it says watch now. It's loading. Sometimes it takes a second to load, but then you will see the movie, right? Well, this is a session as it showed, right? And when I play it, it's going to be me introducing good evening, class. The movie. So there is the movie. Okay. All right. I hope this was of help. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.